everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get Music Unlocker in Geometry Dash. So I'll start with the first step, which is access online levels. So from the main menu you can tap on the online levels section. So the Music Unlocker levels are special user created levels designed to unlock songs. Next step is search for Music Unlocker. So you can use the search function to look for the Music Unlocker or specific song names. So there are community-made levels that unlock various tracks. Next up is download the level. So find a Music Unlocker level with good ratings and download it. So these levels contain the song data that will be saved to your device. Next up is play the level. So play through the Music Unlocker level. So as the level loads, the song data is cached to your device's music library for future use. So lastly is use your new songs. So the songs that you are now available in your music library, you can use them when creating your own levels or just enjoy listening to them. So just a pro tip, you can also check the song browser to see all your unlocked tracks. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!